In the next 5 minutes, we'll explore how your eyes transform light into sight. Each eye sits protected within a bony socket called the orbit. The human eye measures about 24 millimeters across. Vision begins when light enters through the clear cornea.
Each structure plays a vital role in vision. The cornea protects the eye and helps focus light. The iris controls light entry, the lens focuses it, and the retina converts it to signals.
The cornea provides most of the eye's focusing power. This fluid nourishes eye tissues and maintains pressure. The iris adjusts the pupil to regulate light entering the eye.
The lens changes shape to focus on near and far objects.
This gel maintains the eye's shape and optical properties. The retina converts light into electrical signals sent to the brain. Rods allow us to see in low light conditions. Cones detect color and fine detail. The macula enables sharp central vision. The fovea provides your clearest vision. Light triggers chemical reactions that generate electrical signals.
Signals pass through bipolar cells to the ganglion cells.
Ganglion cells send signals toward the brain. The optic nerve carries millions of visual impulses. Some fibers cross to combine input from both eyes. The brain interprets signals into the images we see. Two eyes create depth perception for 3D vision. Six muscles coordinate precise eye movements. Tears protect and lubricate the eye. Oxygen and nutrients sustain retinal cells. Your eyes adjust automatically to changing light. Different cones detect different wavelengths of light. The lens adjusts to keep near and far objects in focus.
Regular eye exams and protective habits help maintain vision.
In milliseconds, your eyes and brain transform light into the world you see.